Is Cathie Wood still worth listening to? Over the weekend, I read an article that contained opinions from 7 market pros on Wall Street about the recent extreme volatility. 3 of them stood out to me as good long-term investors. Mario Gabelli has been managing money for about 49 years. Michael Gugino, who runs the permanent portfolio, has always made sense to me, even though I don't always agree with his decisions. Lastly, Chris Davis runs investments for Davis Advisors and is son of Shelby Davis, who began value investing probably over 75 years ago. Who was part of the panel that I thought should not be there was Chief Executive Officer of ARC Investment Management, Cathie Wood. I say that because her investment ideas, in my opinion, have always been overly aggressive, and over the last 5 years, her flagship ARC Innovation Fund, well, it's down. This is 5 years. It's down over 10%. Since the peak in early 2021, the fund is down more than 70%. Now, back in June 2021, when investors were buying many crazy things, she was managing $25.5 billion. Today, it is around $5 billion. That's about 1/5 the value just 4 years ago. She still has the crazy ideas like before. I'm just surprised that she still is relevant enough for anyone to follow her. There's so much information out there for investors. I feel any investor has to be selective on what they read and listen to. They should make sure there's experience and wisdom behind the thoughts on paper or whatever avenue the information was delivered on. I'm Brent Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free. Check out our other YouTube videos and the weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.